Hi guys, welcome back to NBC Beauty / my special effects on Halloween makeup. Today I'm going to be doing Donatello Ninja Turtles easy makeup. This is just for if you just have a t-shirt like I do and you don't know what to do exactly for your makeup. You can do something like this with face painting a face mask and then just kind of dazzling up yourself a little bit. I'm actually sick right now, but I knew that the show must go on, and I also wanted to finish my Ninja Turtles. But you can do these with any of the Ninja Turtles, with any of the makeups that I've done. I just did purple because obviously Donatello is purple, and I was going to do Leonardo, but my face mask did not set well whenever I was painting it with the UV light. And I also wanted to mention with these are by Splash and Spills. I got these on Amazon. I will link them if I can link them, because I think they might be not available anymore, but if not, I will get better ones, because the only problem with this color right here, it is purple. You see the purple, but whenever you are in UV light, it is actually pink. And I didn't think about that whenever I was doing my face painting. I completely forgot about it, and whenever I turned on my UV light, I saw pink, and I was like, oh, that might not work for it. But if you don't use the UV light, you can easily do this makeup and it will still look really good. And I'm hoping that this helps. I hope this is an easy idea for you guys. But if you guys want to see how to do my Donatello face painting makeup for Halloween, please keep on watching.